Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to help you set up your Kraken account. So let's get signed in. Ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to do here, first of all, is look for kraken.com. Once you are in here, we'll go up to the top right hand side and click on sign up. Now you need to sign up before you actually download the app, and this will just make your process a whole lot easier. So let's go and add in our details. So if you are creating a personal account, you'll keep it on personal. If you're creating a business account, there's a little bit more information that you will eventually have to add in here, such as country information and some business details. But for now, we're going in with a personal account. So add in your personal email address, click on next, add a password, go and click on next. You'll now add your country of residence. If you have an optional invite code, you can add that in over here. Click on by continuing, I agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy, and simply click on create account. Now we're going to go into a new tab, jump into your email account. You will see within the next few seconds, you will receive a confirmation email that looks like this over here. All right, so just jump in there. You'll see it could be in your spam folder, but give it a few seconds. And once you have received that email, you're going to go ahead and enter the 6-digit code that is in that email. Click on confirm your email, and you'll be taken directly to your dashboard.